What's up everyone, it's Taha, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. But this isn't just about cool tech. It's about putting that tech to work for you, for your hustle, for boosting that bottom line. We're talking about seven different AI tools that can help you level up your game. Whether you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just someone who wants to work smarter, not harder. From automating tasks to uncovering hidden opportunities, these tools are all about efficiency and maximizing your earning potential. So buckle up, smash that like button if you haven't already, and let's get into it. First up, we're starting with a game changer, especially if you're a content creator like me, a content generator. Now, this isn't about replacing your creativity, but imagine having an AI assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, generate different copy variations for your website or ads, or even draft up those social media posts. Some of these tools are crazy powerful, using things like natural language processing to understand what you need and deliver high-quality content in seconds. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand 24/7. And the best part? It can free up your time and mental energy to focus on the big picture, the strategy, the editing, the stuff that really makes your content pop. We'll link some of our favorites down in the description, but trust me, once you go AI with your content, you won't want to go back. It's a whole new world of efficiency. Next up, we're getting into the world of finance with AI-powered trading bots. Now, I'm not saying you should hand over your entire portfolio to a robot, but hear me out. These bots are designed to analyze market data, identify trends, and even execute trades, all on autopilot. So, let's say you're interested in a particular stock. You can set up your bot with specific parameters, like when to buy or sell based on price fluctuations, and it'll do the heavy lifting for you 24/7. This means you don't have to be glued to your screen, watching every tick of the market. You can set it and forget it, letting the AI work its magic. Of course, as with any investment strategy, it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But if you're looking for a way to potentially automate your trading and take advantage of market opportunities, even while you sleep, AI trading bots are definitely worth exploring. Just remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it could be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. Now let's talk about conquering the social media game, because consistency is key, right? But who has time to be posting every hour of the day? That's where an AI-powered social media scheduler comes in. These tools let you plan out your posts in advance across multiple platforms and optimize them for maximum engagement. Imagine writing all your captions for the week in one go, scheduling them to go live at peak times, and then sitting back and watching the likes roll in. That's the power of automation, people. Plus, many of these tools offer analytics dashboards, so you can track your performance, see what's resonating with your audience, and refine your strategy. No more guessing games, just data-driven decisions to help you grow your following and boost your brand's visibility. It's like having a social media manager working for you around the clock without the hefty price tag. Moving on, we're talking customer service. And no, I'm not talking about hiring a call center. I'm talking about AI-powered chatbots. These little helpers are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers online. Imagine this. Someone lands on your website at 3 o'clock in the morning. They've got a question about your product or service. Instead of waiting for business hours, they can get an instant response from your chatbot, guiding them through FAQs, troubleshooting issues, or even directing them to the right resources. It's like having a virtual assistant available 24/7 to handle those basic inquiries, freeing up your time to focus on the more complex stuff. Plus, it's a seamless experience for your customers, giving them the instant gratification they crave. Now, if you're serious about making money online, you need to be found, right? That's where SEO, search engine optimization, comes in. But optimizing your website and content can feel like a full-time job. That's why AI-powered SEO optimizers are a game changer. These tools can analyze your website, identify areas for improvement, and even suggest relevant keywords to target. They can help you optimize your content for search engines, track your rankings, and even analyze your competitors. The goal? To get your website ranking higher in search results, driving more organic traffic your way. And more traffic means more potential customers, more leads, and ultimately more revenue. It's like having an SEO expert on your team, guiding your strategy and helping you stay ahead of the curve. Next, let's talk email marketing. Still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience and drive sales. But crafting compelling emails and managing your subscriber list can be time-consuming. Enter the AI-powered email marketing assistant. These tools can help you personalize your emails, automate your campaigns, and even analyze your results. Imagine segmenting your audience based on their interests, sending targeted emails that resonate, and then tracking open rates and click-throughs to see what's working. You can even use AI to optimize your subject lines for higher open rates. Because let's be real, nobody's buying if they're not opening your emails. It's like having a marketing team working behind the scenes to maximize your email marketing ROI. Finally, let's talk video editing. Whether you're a YouTuber, a social media manager, or a business owner creating video content, you know that editing can be the most time-consuming part. But with AI-powered video editing tools, you can now automate tasks like transcribing your audio, adding subtitles, even creating highlight reels. Imagine uploading your raw footage and having the AI automatically cut out silences, add background music, and even create transitions. Some tools can even analyze your video content and suggest the most engaging clips to keep your audience hooked. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips, saving you hours of tedious work and helping you produce high-quality videos in a fraction of the time. So there you have it, 7 powerful AI tools that can seriously boost your income and productivity. From content creation to trading, social media to customer service, there's an AI solution out there for almost every aspect of your business or personal brand. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use them. Most of these tools are incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and plenty of resources to help you get started. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, experiment with these tools, and see how they can transform the way you work and earn. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.